These guys are heading out on a venture together there. Our pistol and Gobby combo. Look how cool he is. It's just so fun. I don't know. What do you guys think? You guys think the freshwater hobby's better than this? I don't know. I did freshwater for like a decade. Nowhere near as cool as this. Not a chance. This little guy, I think he needs a little bit more flow, but there's our conch snail. Don't have the power head active, but tank's staying pretty clean. There's this little cleaner shrimp doing his thing. All right, let's back out a bit. Let's see, where'd the pistol shrimp go? Can we find him? There's our little cave system. Oh, there you are, buddy. I wonder if he thinks it's feeding time again. I don't know. Let's back out a bit. I could sit here and watch for hours. What do you guys do? I'd love to have a bigger tank, but I'm not ready yet. Got to keep everything healthy in here. As I said, we're about 5.5 weeks in. I see like little things floating around. I added like copepods, which are supposed to keep things healthy. I wonder if you can see them when we have the black light on. You can kind of see them under the white light, but they're pretty tiny. I'm not sure if you can see them floating. Or is that sand? We have some blue leg snails, and I think that's a blue leg right there. You can kind of see his legs popping out. And we have some red leg hermit crabs as well. And Mexican ones. Hold on, I think I found the red leg right about there. No, that's the Mexican one. I don't think that's a red leg. But yeah, I want to add an anemone, but I think that's going to be probably another month or two away from that. The tank apparently cannot support it. I've read or seen videos that you need at least 6 months to add the anemone, so that's kind of the next thing we're going for. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we'll add some zoas. What do you guys think we should add? Let's check it out.